Here she is.
Hey guys! How's it going? Oh my god. Good to see you guys. Welcome to Soundcheck. This is Zach, this is Jarvis. How's it going? Hot? I'm freezing. Because forever. My room is so cold. I've been freezing, like, and I'm wearing nothing, and I'm just like, so cold. Really? It's hot?
Wait, how's there another?
Damn. Should have gone outside. I haven't seen the sunlight. I love it here. I've been walking around, and you guys are all so nice, and I'm like, wow, I really like you people. So I'm excited for the show tonight. Minnesota nice.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys are so nice. Yeah, it's really cozy. It's been really great. So, well, we're gonna do a song today. I was rewatching Grey's Anatomy, and I don't even know if this song is in it, but it actually could be wrong. It could not be in it, but Grey's Anatomy always reminds me of Coldplay. And I just felt like doing a sad song today, so we're gonna do "Fix You" by Coldplay. I love this song. And I feel, yeah, the soundtrack to Grey's is, I literally could be wrong, but the soundtrack to Grey's is so good, and I forgot how good it was. But yeah, so let's try it.
Try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired that you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your